Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken burger. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. For 4 fantastic burgers, you'll need 1 pound of ground chicken. Don't forget your favorite seasonings, perhaps a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and some garlic powder. Make sure you have 4 burger buns and all your desired toppings ready to go. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly enjoyable meal. Now, let's craft those perfect patties. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 pound of ground chicken with all your chosen seasonings. Remember to mix gently. Overworking the meat can make your burgers tough. Once combined, divide the mixture into 4 equal portions. This ensures consistent cooking. Then, carefully form each portion into a patty, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch in thickness. This helps them cook evenly and thoroughly. It's time to cook our delicious chicken burgers. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, carefully place your chicken patties into it. Cook each side for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. To ensure safety, always check that the internal temperature of your chicken burgers reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The final step is assembly, and then it's time to enjoy. First, lightly toast your burger buns for a delightful crunch and added flavor. Next, place a perfectly cooked chicken patty on the bottom half of each bun. Now comes the fun part. Pile on your favorite toppings. Think crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, a slice of cheese, or anything else you desire. Serve your homemade chicken burgers immediately and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.